How to create 3D avatar on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app. At the top right corner, tap on three dots. Now tap on settings, then tap on avatar. Tap on create your avatar. Now tap on get started. Then tap on create your avatar again. Now start selecting with skin tone. Tap on next. Select your hairstyle and tap on next. Select face shape, then tap on next. Now select your body type and tap continue. Style your avatar hair. Select dress, shoes and other outfits. When all are set, tap on done at the top. If your avatar is ready, tap on publish avatar. Your avatar is created and published on your profile picture. And that's it. This is how you can create 3D avatar on WhatsApp.